This type of construction house video is getting millions of views. Look at this channel. It has uploaded only 45 videos, has around 75,000 subscribers, and still gets millions of views. One video has reached 30 million views, while others consistently get 7 million, 3 million, and 1 million views. If they can do it, you can too. By making construction house-style videos like these, you can easily get millions of views on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The video you are watching was created in just 2 minutes using an AI tool. And you can make the same type of video with AI as well. I will explain the process step by step so you can do it easily, but you must not skip any step. If you miss even one step, you will not get results like this channel and you will fail. So the video must be created in a proper, structured way from start to finish. Not just one channel, but many channels are making these construction house videos on YouTube and getting millions and millions of views. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can make these videos for free. Before we start, like the video, hit the hype button, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin and learn how to create construction house videos using free AI tool. To make a house construction video like this, you first need a prompt. Just one single prompt that can generate the entire construction video. First, you will get this prompt in Google Docs. Copy the full prompt, then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the Generate button. After clicking the Generate button, ChatGPT will ask you to type Start in the prompt box and click Generate again. Then ChatGPT will give you several topic suggestions for construction videos. You will see options showing what type of structure you want to build. You simply choose one option and type its number in the prompt box. For example, if you select option number 2, type 2 and click Generate. ChatGPT will then start creating the complete structure for you. First, it provides 6 images prompt. Using these, we will easily create images and then convert those images into a full video. First, we will generate these images using a free AI website. Construction-type images like this can be created using the Nano Banana model. To use it, go to Pipit.ai, which allows you to create HD images for free with the Nano Banana model. The link is in the description below. If you sign up and log in using my link, you will get 520 free credits, which you can use to create images without paying. Click the link in the description, sign up, and log in. After logging in, you will see an interface with 2 options, video and image. Click on the image option to proceed. After clicking on the image option, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Pipit.ai. In the model section, select the Nano Banana model. Then, in the ratio section, select 9:16. Once the model and aspect ratio are set, click the arrow button to start generating your image. The main interface will appear and you need to wait 15 to 20 seconds for your first image to be ready. As you can see, the first image is ready and the result is realistic and high quality. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, return to Pipit.ai, paste it into the prompt box, and click the Generate button. Your next image will start generating in the same way. You have to generate all your images by repeating the same steps. I quickly did it one by one, and ChatGPT gave me 6 image prompts. Using these, I generated all the remaining images. You also need to copy each prompt from ChatGPT, go back to Pipit.ai, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click the Generate button. Your image will then be ready. Repeat this process for all the prompts. Once all your images are ready, click on an image to open it in the main interface. Hover your cursor over the download button, then select the format as PNG. In the watermark section, choose Without Watermark. Click the download button and save the image to your device. Repeat this process for each image and save them all, just like I am doing. After downloading all your images, the next step is to convert them into a video. For this, we have prompts in ChatGPT that will help you turn your images into a video. We will use the free AI tool Flow AI. Go to the Flow AI website and sign up. You will get 100 free credits, which you can use to create up to 5 video. After signing up, click on New Project. The interface will appear and first go to the Settings section. Here, select the aspect ratio 9:16, choose the number of outputs, and in the Model section, select VEO the 1. After that, go to the text to video section and select the frame to video option. Next, after selecting the frame to video option, a plus icon will appear below. Click on it to upload your first and second images. Start by uploading the first image. Before uploading, a pop-up will appear where you need to select the portrait aspect ratio. After selecting it, click on the crop and save button, and your first image will be uploaded. Next, click on the plus icon again to upload the second image. I first copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, then return to Flow AI, click the plus icon, and upload the second image. After uploading, paste the prompt in the box and click Generate. Your first video will then start processing. Now our first video is ready. Next, upload the second and third images. After uploading, copy the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste this prompt in Flow AI and make sure the correct image is uploaded. Then click Generate and your next video will start processing. You need to repeat the same steps to convert all your images into videos. ChatGPT will indicate in each prompt which image to upload, so follow it carefully. I quickly repeat this process and convert all my images into videos. Now all your images have been converted into videos. You need to download them one by clicking the download option. The next step is to edit these videos and combine them to create a complete, final video. For editing, we will use CapCut. The link to CapCut is in the description below, and you can download it for free from the official website. After downloading, click the import button and bring in all the video clips you downloaded from Flow AI. On the timeline, place the clips in order. First clip, then second, third, and so on, adjusting each step by step. If you want, you can add transitions between clips or apply effects to enhance the video. Once your editing is complete, click the export button to save the final video to your device. Now you can see the final result. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.